Hey there, bike enthusiasts! Check out this 16-in-1 bike repair toolkit designed for ultimate convenience and functionality. It features a variety of Allen keys, socket hex wrenches, flat wrenches, spoke wrenches, and screwdrivers to tackle most bike repairs. The compact, foldable design makes it easy to carry in your pocket or bike bag wherever you go. Made from durable Chrome-Vanadium steel, this multi-tool is rust-resistant and built to withstand tough use. Whether you ride mountain trails or city streets, this versatile kit helps you stay prepared for any mechanical issue. It's also a fantastic gift idea for anyone who loves bike maintenance or outdoor adventures. Enjoy peace of mind knowing you have a reliable tool ready for your next ride. Thanks for hanging out with us. If this product caught your eye, there's a direct link and more info waiting for you in the description below. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe so you never miss our daily finds. See you in the next one.